So I know that those two angles are vertical angles, and because they're vertical angles, 5x minus 3 equals 4x plus 22. And now I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. So I have 5x minus, no, I don't want to do that. 5x minus 3 minus 4x equals 4x plus 22 minus 4x, right? Then I clean it up, which would be substitution, and I would have that x minus 3 equals 22. And now I have to add 3 to both sides, so x minus 3 plus 3 equals 22 plus 3. And now I clean up again, substitution, x equals 25. So I proved my thing. But what is the first rule that allowed me to set this up? No, well, it's not given that they're equal. The picture is given. What kind of angles are they? Vertical angles. So what you're going to put up here for the reason I can do this whole problem is definition of vertical angles. What kind of angles are 7 and 8? What kind of angles are they? Yeah, it's a linear pair or supplementary, right? So it's a linear pair. So if you look at theorem 2.3, it says supplementary theorem. If two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. I can then say, what does supplementary mean? So I can say that 5x plus 5 plus x minus 5 equals 180 due to theorem 2-3, which is a supplementary theorem. Got it? That's all you're doing then. Then you go on and answer the question. So what happens next? What is 5x plus x?
5x plus 6x.
6x.
And that will equal 180.
Equals 180 because the 5's bite the dust. And x equals 30. But in the directions it says find the measurement of each angled pair. So 7, you're going to plug in 30 to 7 to that. 5 times 30 is 150 plus 5 is 155. And 30 minus 5 is 25. Does that make sense? What is 155 plus 25?
75.
180.
Right.
180.
No.
So it makes sense because they're a linear